The script is a list of commands that the UPA-S programmer follows to manage the system's functions, enabling simple and customized control without requiring advanced programming skills. To download the scripts, go to the dedicated section at download.tsecengineering.com. This script performs the FRM module recovery, correcting firmware corruption caused by voltage drops. Such damage may result in malfunctions of interior lights, windows, and other vehicle features. Thanks to a fully automated procedure, you can repair the module with a single click. Launch the UPA software. Select the script you wish to run. In the left column, make the selections shown on screen. The FRM Recover tool will then open. To view the manual, click the dedicated button or scan the QR code with a mobile device. Carefully read the entire manual and follow the provided instructions. Connect the FRM module to the UPA-S programmer using the standard cable, as indicated in the manual. Then connect the programmer to the USB cable and subsequently to the PC. Insert the X-Core dongle. Go back to the software and select Connect ECU. Confirm the operation. If partition area status is fault, you will be prompted to start the footwheel rear module restore. Click Yes to start the recovery and wait for completion. The procedure will be performed automatically. The process in the video is speeded up. Please wait while the system completes this operation. No user action is required at this time. Once the partition D-flash status changes to set, the procedure has successfully completed. Your FRM module is fully restored and ready to be installed in the vehicle without any additional configuration. If necessary, you have the option to perform a VIN change by clicking the corresponding button. Confirm the operation. The procedure is now complete.